Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Alright, back with another video. Alright, it's gonna be a super pay tutorial, full breakdown tutorial, super pay, everything you need to know. Alright, people. So on an every single day basis, you gotta be legendary, you gotta be different, and you gotta want it more than anything. Anything, people. Like when I started, go watch my first 50 videos. 5 subscribers, 8 subscribers, 14 subscribers. I'm still doing the same thing I'm doing now. I'm going in. Alright, so you gotta be able to have like a different mindset because you want to be different. You don't want to be the same. You don't want to do what everybody else is doing. Alright, so on an every single day basis, all I'm doing is earning free income, taking that and putting into different streams of income that I know is gonna bring me back more income. Alright, so I build free income stream. I build income streams using free income. Right? So I do this for all my people out there that struggle, all my people out there that don't have nothing, all my people out there that literally like in the negative. Right? Like all I have is time. Like, you know what I'm saying? All I have is time. I don't have no money to put in. All I got is effort and time. On your spare time, put some effort in, you're gonna earn some bread. You're going to earn some money. You're going to earn some income every single day. It's upon you on what you do with it and how you want to maneuver with it on an every single day basis. All right, so this is super pay. Let's dive straight into it. All right, shout out to the online team too. I see y'all out there. Y'all eating. Y'all really going hard. All right, but like I said, you got to take the income and invest in yourself. Take the money and invest in yourself. What do I mean by that? Look what I did, right? I started earning online. Took like 9-10 months just to start like really understanding like what am I doing, right? So I finally figured it out. Like, okay, if I use multiple sites and I earn like $2-3 each on each site, I could make like $20-30 every single day. I could make $15-18 every single day. I could put that together, right? All I needed was an extra couple $100 every month so I could actually have some money in my pocket to actually do some extra things, to pay an extra bill. To you know what I'm saying, to start fixing my credit, paying late credit card bills and stuff that I haven't paid for years and stuff like that, right? So I did this to do that, right? So this is why I do what I do. And now I'm at a higher level. I'll be teaching you guys that, but you gotta watch my videos. You gotta be really into what I'm teaching you guys. I teach you guys on how to get referrals, how to get earnings, how to get referral earnings. That way you don't have to come in and put that major time and effort in doing surveys and watching ads and signing up for offers and different things like that, right? But it's like I said, when you first start off, you gotta crawl. You gotta crawl before you walk. That's the crawl process. You gotta go in and start doing all that. You have to, because if you could do that and you could post that and record that and broadcast that, what you're doing, you're gonna help somebody else. So somebody's gonna see that and be like, oh, okay. So you could build a following just off of that. Or you could build a following off of already having like a following off of something else. Like maybe, I don't know, like maybe you bake, maybe you fix cars, maybe you have some type of service, maybe you have some type of business, maybe you sell clothing, whatever you got, right? You could brand off that. So either way, all you want to do is just have a consistent flow. And you want to have a follow. That's all you need, a consistent flow and a follow. All right, and you have to show people that you're actually using it. That's why I tell you guys to use it. You're not going to be using this forever. That's why I always tell people you're not going to be using it forever, right? I'm going to be using it forever because this is what I do. You know what I'm saying? So, but for the most part, I don't have to go in here every single day and go in every single day and go in, right? I don't have to if I don't want to. All right, so like I said, on an every single day basis, we're gonna grind. We're gonna do what we gotta do to get right, people. We're gonna do what we gotta do to get right and to continue to be different. All right, so let's jump into it. Super pay. My bad, people. You know I be talking. All right, people. I show you my full stats, people. Full breakdown stats. All right, full breakdown stats, and I'm gonna give you a full breakdown tutorial right here. All right, so cash balance right now is $90.31. All right, like I said, the other video that I cashed out, I did not realize there was this much in here. You see what I'm saying? Usually, I get like $3-4 a day, if that. Also, if that, $3, maybe $2, $2.50. Right? So when I checked back in here, it looked like I was getting like $6 every day. I'm like, oh, what happened? So, you know, this is the power that I tell you guys of getting referrals. This is why I tell you guys, learn how to make $5 off this site. Record what you're doing, or post your cash outs, or just have your cash outs there, or however you want to do it. But make sure you have footage of that. And start sending it out to your followers. Start posting on your channel. Start posting on your pages. And start telling people about it. People are going to start looking like, oh, what's that? They're going to actually use it. Start using it. But the thing is, are you going to be able to continue doing that every single day? You see what I'm saying? Because it's going to take a long period of time before people start catching on and start understanding, like, oh, okay. You see what I'm saying? So that's why my channel, that's why I don't have like 100,000 and a million subscribers and all that. Because, you know what I'm saying? People, it takes a while for people to actually like, oh, okay, you could actually do this and make some income. You see what I'm saying? But it's all about what you're doing with the income. When you make the income, invest in yourself, take that money to make more income. I'll give you another example. I took the free income and I bought a lawnmower. I bought a weed whacker. I bought a blower. I bought I bought rakes. I bought shovels. I bought a trimmer. Why do I buy all these things? I buy all these things for my landscaping business. So I took the free income that I was making online and I started my landscaping business with that. So now every week, every weekend, or every two weeks, somebody's calling me, or somebody's texting me, yo, I need you to come over and do my house. In the summertime, all the way from the summertime all the way until October, maybe late October, early November, right? So I still do leaf pickup and stuff like that. So that income stream right there, I created off of free income, free PayPal money that I just kept taking and just kept saving up. Bought a $450 lawnmower. You see what I'm saying? Like, I could have bought a $100 lawnmower. Nah, I wanted to really go in. I bought an electric lawnmower. Now I never pay for gas. You see what I'm saying? And I got my lawnmower. I'm good. I don't got to carry gas all in my car and all that. So it's stuff like that that I just show you guys that you can do off of free income, 100% free income. But you could do that and invest in yourself in different ways. All right. So look, $90.31 cash balance. Let me catch this out real quick. I'm gonna catch this out real quick, and then we're gonna jump into this tutorial. All right. It's a quick tutorial. Quick couple steps of what I use. Once you start earning from the tutorial that I give you right now, once you start earning from that, little by little, start going into other different areas. See, look how many different areas they have. They always have new areas coming in. Look at that. Aggie, AdGem, Peanut Labs, Offer Turo. Like, I'm not gonna confuse you guys. I'm just gonna tell you to go where I know where the bread is at, where the money's at. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tell you guys exactly where to go. Look at all these options. Now, if you sit here and you start clicking, you're gonna get discouraged because you don't know what you're doing, right? That's why I said watch my tutorials, right? If you're going to start with SuperPay, the link's in the description. Sign up to SuperPay, right? You're going to get a bonus once you sign up because you're using my link, right? You're going to sign up, right? Once you sign up, watch and study my tutorials. All SuperPay only. And then start earning until you earn $2, $3, $4, $5 a day every day on SuperPay. Then you go to a different site and you earn money on that site. Do the same thing, all right? But like I said, you got to take baby steps, right? It can't be just, all right, let me cash this out. I'm gonna cash out 40. Oh, my bad, people. I'm gonna cash out $49.99 right here. $49.99. That's just what's that motorcycle? Copy and paste this real quick. And if you guys want to, you can pause the video, pen and paper. I'm gonna withdraw this cash right now, $49.99 cash out. I still have $40.32 remaining. All right, so $49.99 cash out. That will be in the account within the next 2 minutes. All right, I'm gonna check in about not even 2. I'm gonna check in 1 minute. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna show you. Bring it to the home page real quick. Like I said, people, SuperPay. This is going to be a tutorial breakdown. It's up to you on an everyday basis what you guys want to do. It's up to you on an everyday basis on what you want to do. Alright? How to earn $5 every single day, $150 a month using SuperPay.me. Alright? Look, $40 still 32 cents, $1.11 points, 184 referrals don't matter. All that matters is about active referrals. Alright, people? So alright, let's jump into this tutorial. All right, first things first. Let's jump into the PayPal and see if it came in. Let me refresh this real quick. Refresh this. Hopefully it could just. There you go. See, it came right in. Look at that. Not even 1 minute, people. See the time? Not even 1 minute. $48.99. Why they take $1 out for the transfer fee? It's a transfer fee that the site takes. I think it's 1% or something like that, 2% to cash out through PayPal. I can get a check or something like that and nothing. I don't have to pay nothing, but I don't want to wait, so I want it now. Alright, so let's dive into this tutorial. Alright, first place you want to go is paid surveys. Alright, first place you want to go to paid surveys. First thing you want to start off is top surveys and offers, because these are the ones that people are doing right now. Alright, first thing, another thing I wanted to show you guys is they have the boost promotion. Alright, it's at 85 cents per survey. Usually these surveys are like 70 cents. They're 80-cent surveys, people. 85-cent surveys. You do 10 of these a day, you're at $8.50 every single day. Alright? You do 10 of these a day, you're at $8.50 every single day. So it's up to you. You can't do 10 surveys a day. Come on. It's so simple. 10, that's it. I used to do 20, 30 surveys a day when I used to be grinding. 20, 30 surveys every single day. With my 9 to 5, with my son, with my lady, everything like. So you have to implement what you want and then create something out of it. I kept doing that every single night for 6 months, 9 months, 10 months, and guess what? I started my landscaping business. Then I started another business. I started another income stream. Right? So it's up to you to keep grinding. Start a YouTube channel. That's another income stream. So you just got to continue to keep doing that. All right. First place to go. Start here. Your surveys. Always come to the promotions. All right. Go to your surveys. 85-cent surveys. All right. Now, even if it's not the 85-cent surveys, always still go to your surveys, which is right here. That should be your number one. Your survey, top surveys and offers, and then your surveys. All right. Your number third step, you always want to go to wanna ads. Wanna ads is those wanna ad surveys. All you really doing is signing up for stuff. Like you're signing up for offers and different things like that. But it's very quick. It's very simple. It's not really like a survey. All right, you'll see about it when you get in there. And if you're international, you're in different countries, go to worldwide surveys. If you're international in different countries and you're having issues and you're like, yo, I can't get no surveys completed, go to worldwide surveys, all right? These are surveys that people are doing. And you have to understand, when you do surveys, go watch my Learn How to Do Survey video, all right? I'm going to give you guys some tips right now. When you do surveys, first thing you want to do is that your household makes at least 100,000, 80,000, something like that. Because they want to see that you have money so that you can spend money on products. That's one. Two, you want to always see what question kicks you out of the survey. So it depends on what question kicks you out the survey. You have to understand what question that is or why. Because it could be the same question and you can answer it differently one way. And that's all that'll open up everything for you. So you have to pay attention to that, all right? Another tip is always remember your profile answers have to match up. So while you're doing a survey, it'll pop up and be like, oh, how much do you make per year in your household? Say if you put 80,000, put 80,000. If you put 100, 200, 300,000, they're gonna kick you off the survey because you're lying. You see what I'm saying? So you always have to be truthful. Are you a male or are you a female? If you put female by accident and you're a male, you're gonna get kicked off the survey. You see what I'm saying? So you have to be smart on what you're doing. You can't just click through. Answer these questions. They're so quick. They're so easy. You're earning income while you're at home. The thing is, you're not earning hundreds and hundreds of dollars. That's the thing. You're earning $10, $20, $30, $40 every single day. But you put that together at the end of the week, you have some income. You see what I'm saying? When you was at home, you didn't have to get in your car. You didn't have to travel. You didn't have to do anything. All right? So another tip is, when you're doing these surveys, you have to be relentless. All right? You can't be doing the surveys while, like I do it because I'm more of a veteran, but you can't do it while you got all these distractions. Right? Turn off the TV. Right? If you got a child, you got kids, they're taking a nap, that's when they get on the surveys. Get on there and start. Because the more income that comes in is the more income for them, for your family, for you to eat, for you to build your future. All right? This is what I did off this channel. I used to, off these surveys, $9 a day. I mean, not even, just every day, 9 months, just keep going, grinding, 9 months, grinding, not even making 25 cents, $1 a day for 9 months because I don't know what I'm doing. And I just realized, if I put these sites together, if I stop going through all these different things, just go to certain ones, I could earn some income. All right. Now, when you go to offer walls, always go to Peanut Labs. You just sign up for stuff very quick, and always go to Say So Rewards. All right. So it's like 6 steps. Pause the video, rewind. Superpay.me, $49.99 cash out. Free online money maker signing out. Peace.